Our Marvellous Makers, we welcome you to this year's Summer Reading Challenge.
This year's challenge is all about getting creative and being marvellous makers.
From dance to drawing, music and more. You'll be able to find lots of books in the library that are linked to your favourite creative art or hobby.
So, if you are aged between 4 and 11, be sure to come down to the library and join in with this year's challenge.
The challenge is to come to the library 3 times over the summer holidays and read 6 books. They can be any books you like.
We have loads of different choices. We've got picture books, fact books, joke books, we have scary books, funny books, books on detectives. We have loads.
On your first visit, you'll get a starter pack, which explains how the challenge works. You'll also receive your first sticker. As you carry on with the challenge, you'll receive some more stickers and gifts.
Why not give it a go and receive a certificate and medal by the end of the summer holidays?
Are you up for the challenge? To get started, come down to your local library and get started on a summer of reading for free.
Have a look out too for some special craft sessions with local artists that we will be holding across the summer.
Have a lovely summer of reading and marvellous making.